In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Outlook to HubSpot. This process is straightforward and should take just about 5 minutes to complete, so let's get started. First, you want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not familiar, HubSpot is a powerful platform that offers software and tools for businesses, streamlining their marketing, sales, and customer service operations. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to log in. Simply locate the login button, which is typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you remember your login information. If you have trouble logging in, HubSpot provides options to reset your password or seek assistance. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. The interface is user-friendly with an intuitive layout, and from here you'll want to direct your attention to the marketplace icon. This is the hub where you can find apps and integrations to extend HubSpot's capabilities. Clicking on this icon will take you to a variety of applications that can be added to your HubSpot account. Next, in the marketplace, you'll see various categories and options. What you want to do is click on Apps. This section is where you'll find the integration for Outlook. Scrolling through, you'll find a wide range of applications, so use the search functionality if you need to. Look for Outlook in the list of available integrations. Upon spotting Outlook, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a detailed page where you can find information about the Outlook integration, including its features, reviews, and more. To proceed, you need to click on the Install App button. This step initiates the connection process between your Outlook and HubSpot accounts. It's worth mentioning that while installing, you may be prompted to provide necessary permissions, so make sure to read through any permission requests carefully. Grant access as needed to ensure your Outlook emails can seamlessly sync with HubSpot. And there you have it. Your Outlook is now successfully connected to HubSpot. This integration offers numerous benefits, like the ability to track email analytics and enhance communication efficiency directly within HubSpot's interface. With these steps completed, you're ready to use HubSpot to its full potential alongside Outlook. Remember, if at any point you're faced with challenges, HubSpot's Help Center is a useful resource for troubleshooting. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to connect your Outlook to HubSpot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, happy connecting.